Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about special products. Special products are just basically um, obtained by multiplying. So, but this one, we've already learned how to multiply polynomials. This time, uh, we're going to multiply polynomials, but with of special form. So we're going to apply some formulas to make our um, uh, computation easy. So there are patterns. So here we have first special product. This is called squaring a binomial. As you can see, we are going to square a binomial. So this one is a binomial. So we're going to square that one. According to this special product formula, this is just equal to uh, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we have this one. You're going to square the a, then plus multiply a and b, and then multiply it again by 2, so that's 2ab plus b squared. So you're going to square the b. So that's the pattern. So this is the pattern. When this is the form, this is the binomial, and you're going to square it. Now the formula to get the product is this. Similarly, for a minus b, quantity of a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus, okay, so it's minus there, 2ab plus b squared. So very similar with 1i. Okay, so this one plus is this one. Okay, similarly for minus we have this one. Okay, so let's try example number 1. For example number 1, take note that you can take x here as a, and you can take 4 as b. So mas dool siya nga porma, no? So as you can see, we can apply 1i here. Okay, so this is plus, so yeah, we can apply I here, and this is the pattern. So just follow the pattern. So according to I, a squared, so a here is actually x plus 2ab. A is x and b is 4 plus 4 b, that's b. Okay, then squared. So this one is basically this one. Okay, so just simply multiply and simplify. So that's 8x plus 16. Since dili na siya ma-simplify, that will be our final answer. This is the product when we're going to multiply x plus 4, quantity of x plus 4 by itself 2 times. So this is our answer. How about number 2? For number 2, we can apply 2i, right? So you can take x here as a and b as 4. And it is obvious that we're going to apply 2i. So this is the pattern for getting the product. So accordingly, a squared. So a here is actually x, a squared plus, I'm sorry, it should be minus 2x times 4 plus 4 squared. Then simplify, that is x squared minus 8x plus 16. So this is our answer. It cannot be simplified, so that will be our final answer. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, so here, note that we can apply 2i, alright, because we can take this as a and we can take this as b. Okay, so this one is in the form of a minus b squared, so we can apply 2i and then just simply follow the pattern. Okay, so we have our a here is 12m and your b here is n squared. Okay, so the pattern is a squared, so a is 12m squared minus 2. Your a is 12m and your b is n squared plus b. Our b is n squared, then you have to square it again because of the pattern. Okay, this one is this one. Okay, so just simplify. So basically we're done here. All you have to do is to simplify. So this one is 12 squared m squared using properties of using a property of exponent. So 12 times 2, that's 24 mn squared plus n raised to 4. 12 squared, that's 144 m squared. So this is our answer. Since we cannot simplify it further, so that will be our answer. So preferably, we must have a simplified answer. So that's how you apply the special product. Okay. Now let's proceed to another special product, which is called the product of the sum and difference of two terms. Why is that so? Okay, this is the product of the sum and difference of two terms. So we have two terms. So in the first factor we have two terms, in the second factor we have two terms. So this is the sum, this is the difference of two factors. And then you're going to multiply, that's why this one is called the product of the sum and difference of two terms. Now what's the pattern? So if this is the form of the factors, so the answer will always be a squared minus b squared. So you're going to square the a and square the b. Okay, if this is the form, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Or we can actually, write a minus b first and then a plus b. Since this one is just multiplication, is just commutative, so you can just write this one first. Okay. Anyway, this is the pattern. A squared minus b squared. Okay. So just simply recognize the pattern. Now for number 1, we have you can take this as a and you can take this as b. And then of course this is a, this is b. Okay? So this is actually in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So basically this is the form, right? So the pattern is this one. So of course the answer will be a squared, our a here is 2c, then squared, minus b is 3d, then squared. So simplify, this is 2 squared, then c squared minus 3 squared minus d squared. So we have 4c squared minus 9d squared. And we're done. So this is the answer. Similarly, for number 2, you can take this one as a. Alright, so I'm gonna use blue. You can take this one as a, and you can take this one as b. So of course this one is a and this one is b. So take note that this is actually in the form of a plus b, a minus b, so this one. So use this pattern. So we have a, our a is 6r cubed, then squared, minus 7s squared raised to 2. So just simplify. So we have 6 squared, then we have r raised to 6, because you're going to multiply. That's a property of exponent. 3 times 2, we have 6. So since the exponent of 6 is 1, so just multiply 1 and 2, so that's why it's 2 here. Okay, remember the rule last time? That was a, b, then let's say you have n, so that's equal to a, n, b, n. Okay, next is we have 7 squared, then s raised to 2, so meaning 2 times 2, that will be equal to 4. 6 squared is 36, then r raised to 6 minus 49s raised to 4. So this will be our answer. Okay, before we end this video or lesson, allow me to explain why is it that the quantity of a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So allow me to show that one. So we will show that the left side is equal to the right side. So we will use the left side, and then we should arrive with the form as indicated on our left side of our equation. So we have a plus b squared. Remember, quantity of a plus b squared is just the same as a plus b times a plus b. Okay, and then multiply it using FOIL method or distributive property. So that becomes a squared plus ab plus ba, or ab, they're just the same, plus b squared. So that will become a squared. You can combine this one because these two are similar terms. Okay, this is 1 and 1, so 1 plus 1, we have 2. So positive 2ab plus b squared. So we got the right side. So for 2i, I will leave this to you as your practice exercise. So that's how you arrive with the right side. So that would be all for this video, and stay tuned for the second part. We will discuss more special products. Thank you very much and have a nice day.